But today we're super excited kasi we're on our way to Hoka Midnight Run. It's currently 6 na ba, love? Yeah, 6 na. So it's 6 PM. Ang call time is 10. Pero limited kasi yung parking. So we have to secure ourselves a parking. So ayun. Malayo pa kami pero hopefully makarating kami on time and makaabot pa kami sa parking ng Hoka Midnight Run. Actually guys, this is our first time ever na kami ng husband ko sasali sa fun run. Usually talaga hindi kami nakakasali kasi busy kami, ganyan, and of course hindi kami masyadong fit. But this time we wanted to try something new and maybe this could be our catalyst for fitness. And sana ma-enjoy namin kasi sabi it's the first in Asia na magkakaroon ng fun run ng midnight. So, it'll start at 10 PM, magkakaroon ng party, and then ang gun start is 1:20 PM. Well, for us, 5 km, ha? 5 AM. Ay, ano pala, 1:20 AM, sorry. So, 5 km lang yung sa amin. Siyempre, beginner lang. Di muna tayo magbibida-bida sa 21K. So, 5 km lang kami. And ang gun start is 1:20 AM pa naman. Pero yun nga, we wanted to of course enjoy the party and hindi ma-hassle sa biyahe. So come with us. So guys, ang pinrepare lang namin sa aming first ever marathon or fun run is of course meron kaming extra damit kasi actually ang weather ngayon is kind of umuulan. So we have to make sure na meron kaming baon just in case na masok kami sa water. Also, nagdala din kami ng water bottles for run. And then meron din kami dalang sandwich, snacks, just in case na magutom or abutan tayo ng gutom sa race. So this is the Hoka Midnight Run. Pero welcome naman daw any other brands of shoes. Di naman siya exclusive for Hoka. Shoe owner lang. Kasi kami talagang, mga ng husband ko, wala kaming Hoka shoes. Okay? Kasi, well, Hoka shoes is good. Pero I've heard a lot of not so good or not so comfortable na tawag dito, reviews about it. But of course, we go for comfort and aesthetic or other reasons. So ako, I'm wearing Skechers and my husband's wearing New Balance. New Balance, Ben, love? Yes. Yay! So guys, hindi pa kami nakasuot ng aming singlet kasi naman ayaw namin magbida-bida. But the color of the singlet is, you'll see later anyway, but the color is neon green. I think the purpose of that is to be visible sa dilim since madaling araw nga yung takbo namin. So it's gonna be fun kasi at 10 PM isasarado na yung Jokno Boulevard, Rosa Boulevard, and other streets. So we're super excited kasi I heard that there will be 17,000 participants for this event. So let's see! Guys, we're super duper excited, or it's just me personally. But we're here sa Cubao, Ale Mall, and ang way namin is papunta kami ng EDSA. And from there, we're gonna go there. Super excited! Guys, I'm just super excited kasi alam nyo ba, yung last run ko pa ng fun run is Run for Pasig. Sa mga kabatch ko dyan, for sure you know what I'm talking about. And kailan pa yun. But this time, alam mo yun, dito kami sa Hoka Midnight Run. So we're super excited! We're just looking for the Lanson's place para makapag-park and maybe we're just gonna eat somewhere here.
Gonna get everything I have is my destiny. I will never say never. I will fight till forever. Make it right.
guys, meron na rin mga nandito. Oh. Nag-warm up na nga sila eh. Oh. I can handle him. Hold up. Hi guys, we're here now. Let's see.
Really? Yeah, ayun ko.
Yeah, here's the Hokaran.
Dito kami sa gitna.
That's the
Ayun
Lanson
o.
place. We're too early. We're too
We're
early.
here.
Bye.
Ayun o.
Our race kit. Can you show yours, love? Yay! We're just 5 km.
Yeah, 5K for free. Oh.
This is what we got. Hi guys, so we are still waiting here. Hindi pa nag-start yung party, so we're just here sa Taco Bell to have our pre-run meal. Hi everybody. What?
Pre-run meal before run.
Taco Bell.
Let's go.
Pre-run meal. Hi love! Nakadamit na po siya. Look at the people. They're there. Hello. Hi, Bianca.
All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go. It's a celebration.
Hi guys, I hope you can hear me, but we're just waiting here sa side kasi we are waiting for the assembly. Yung mga tao nag-warm up pa sila kasi ang gun start is at 1 a.m. or 12 a.m. for the 21K runners. But for us who's 5K, our gun start is at 1:20 a.m. Dito muna pahinga sa Lanson. Hi guys! So, tumatambay ulit kami dito sa Lanson Place kasi it's currently 11:15, so mamaya pang 1:20 yung aming gun start. So, we're just staying here for the AC. See you later! Guys, inaantok na ako. Joke. Lalabanan natin to for the marathon. So, let's go. Guys, we got our first freebie. Blue. Grabe guys, parang umaga pa dito. Pero ang oras na is what? It's 11:45-ish. Pero look at this. There's a lot of people still here. Lalo dun.
We acknowledge him at the main stage, but we're so excited. We're ready to send you all off. So first off, for a time of...
Hi guys! So nag-picture kami sa 5 km finisher stand. Tapos nag-watch kami kung paano tumakbo yung mga 21 km. Nakakatuwa. Na-excite ka ba, love?
Yep.
Yeah, it's so exciting! Ah! Mamaya pa kami. So, still waiting and maglilikot-likot muna kami sa mga booth. Guys, we're on our way to the start ng 5 km. So we're just here para we will be on front kapag nag-start na yung run namin. So let's see! What did you say? Tatapusin natin?
Yes.
Pero pag di ko kaya, maglalakad tayo ah.
Yep.
Is it okay if we're gonna walk?
Yeah.
Paano pag di mo kaya?
Hindi maglalakad.
No. Only me.
Okay.
Assembly area. We're waiting.
One question for you. Are you ready? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What can you say? Yeah! Yaman na sila mauna. Guys, grabe yung pawis ko. Ay, my goodness. Love, kamusta naman ang ating midnight walk? It's great. Ay, pawis na pawis ako guys. Sorry, ang pangit ng lighting. But, we're thriving. Guys, we're dying. We need water. It's been 2.5 km but still no water station. Well, may nadaanan kami but it's on the other side so we can't go. So good luck. I aspire to be that on my next run. To wear a tutu. Sa World Trade Center, Metro Manila na kami. 3 km almost, so let's do this. Whew. Yeah, boss. Thank you po. Damn. Okay, I'm ready. 5K again. Shut up. Wait. suggested in order for us to thrive and survive is for us na magkwentuhan. Okay, love, what's your story?
Wala. CICC na to.
CICC.
Graduate, diba?
Yay! Morning po!
Morning!
Morning po! Very nice. Thank you so much, Gatorade. Yes, we're energized again. Let's have water. I think water's better. We'll get water. Wait lang. Ito na. Thank you po. Yes. We are in PICC now. Look. That's PICC right there. There you go. Love, show them.
Yeah.
What the hell? Maybe later I'll be in Marikina. I wish. You know what, guys? I'll admit I am nowhere near fit. Okay, so I think it's just the right choice for us to go with a 5K. Kanina nung wala pang water, we thought it's Death March, but look at this now. It's getting better.
Right side, right side, 21, right side. Good morning, everyone. 21.
Guys, I'm so sorry for my itsura, but we're now in Seascape.
Hello.
We're almost there. Wow, 4 kilometers now.
Go!
But guys, this is a testimony of me and my husband's endurance. Right, love? I'm so oily, I'm so sorry. But this is the reality of running. And it's good. Feels good, but it's heavy and hard. More Gatorade. Thank you po.
Kita mo dito ng blue light.
This is a lifesaver. We're almost there. Right, love? Say yes. It's the Visa building. This is the silver lining, guys. We're almost there. Almost there. Yes, guys. Yes, love. There you go. Guys, finish. Finish. Woo.
Kuya, yung tao mo,
Yeah, midnight walk. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. Guys, we're on our way to get our loot bag. Let's see. Hi, nako. It's such a fulfilling night. Or day. Hi guys, this is our loot bag. We got free banana and the bag. Upo muna kami. Love, let's find a seat. Let's go.
Let's go back.
Okay. Guys, so nakita ka kung nagtitinda ng taho. Meron kasing taho and sorbetes area. Tapos sabi ko, kuya, libre ba? Sabi niya, may bayad po. Ano, lahat na lang na para bang patay gutom tayo dito. Yeah! Yeah, we finished it! Woo!
These presents don't really come for free. Don't let them hold it tight. You'll never find my love. Something that you got to know. That I do different love. Will you realize that I'm on? That I dance to a different song. It's a shame, but I got to know.
So guys, we're here at Lanson Place again, waiting for our key card to get our stuff. So let's go. Aftermath. Lanson. Just waiting here at Lanson's place. Doon pa ang others. Dito pa sila. Nagpa-party-party pa sila, guys. Hi guys, so while waiting, we're just gonna do a loot bag haul from the Hokaran. So, ito yung inside ng bag. I'll show you. So, this is what it looks like from the inside. So, meron tayo dito. First off, diatabs. Di naman namin nagamit yan, so we're good. Then next, soap lagayan. I don't know how do you call that. And then meron din tayo caramel macchiato. Meron tayong Cloud9 chocolate milk drink. And what else do we have? We also have Salon Pass. And what's this? I don't know. Meron tayong Milk Club. So, a deodorant. Milk po, sorry. What's this? Uy, 200 sa Star City, oh. Wow! And then, meron din tayong wipes. And, meron syempre tayo nitong towel. The towel is so nice. Parang fiber cloth na siya. Guys, it's giving refugee feels na tayo dito. We're just waiting for the event to end and then we'll get our stuff from DL and then we're going home. Thanks for the drink, Hokaran. So good. Hi guys, after hours today. I mean, right now it's 5 a.m. and we're going to the parking. Finally, uwi na tayo after a long day. May mga tao pa dito. Marami pa mga runners. Asan pa sila? But us, we're going home now kasi we're tired. Pero we really enjoyed our run. So, see ya! Baby, how was your experience?
Great.
You like it?
Yep.
Are you gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
me too. I really love it. I enjoyed it so much. Good morning, guys! Tignan nyo naman, ang liwanag na ng labas natin, guys. Grabe. Sino mag-aakalang pumunta tayo ng may araw sa Pasay. Tapos uwi rin tayong may araw. Para tayong nag-party na ito eh. Grabe experience. Pero it was so fun. So good. Grabe, guys. Ang masasabi ko lang sa Hokama midnight run, it was fun. Grabe, nung unang parts ng walking, walking talaga, no? Ano eh, parang naiinis na ako kasi ang layo ng tubig eh. Pero nakainom na kami ng Gatorade tsaka ng water. Parang nagkaroon agad kami ng energy to move forward. Tapos nung nakita na namin yung Visa building, yung Alorica building, parang ano eh, it gives us the motivation to keep up para makauwi na kami. I mean, matapos na. Wala. Whenever you knock me down, I will not stay on the ground. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, up, and never say never. Here we go.
Leave my body floating away. Let the rain come down. This is what I'm used to. It's what I'm made of. You'll see. Finding anchors deep in the sea, where your fickle mind and your cold feet, I'm the only one swimming while you're still